Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, to make sure that you do share this video. Now, since this lady who is 31 years old trended from yesterday, the reason why she trended was because she appeared to be way older than her age. She went on to a podcast to detail exactly what happened. South Africans have rushed to say that this lady was definitely bewitched, as they believe that she was in a relationship with a Nigerian man, you guys. Now, this lady does not know what actually caused her condition, as she says that she has gone to Prophet Sangomas, and they told her, of course, of destiny swapping, witchcraft, of course. Now, there is actually an illness called progeria or Werner syndrome, you guys. If you watch TLC, then you will definitely know that such skin conditions do exist, you guys. And we had one case in South Africa, one popular case of Umpile. She was, I think, 13 at the time. She had progeria. She was the very first to be out there. Now, people are saying that this lady definitely has that. This video that I'm about to insert speaks about that and educates us as South Africans. Please do watch this lady. Of course, engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. She emphasizes that there is no such thing in this case as witchcraft, as she believed that this is just a medical case, even though the country is not well equipped to deal with it, well equipped or well knowledgeable with this. Please do check this out.
Hi guys, I hope you're well. I'm not a medical practitioner, okay? But since 2023, I've been following a story of Razal. She's a Philippine, and at only 16 years old, her body started changing. She started aging, looking like a woman in her 50s while she's 16 years old. So apparently she went to doctors. They didn't know what was wrong with her when this whole process started. They didn't know what's wrong with her, and she kept on aging. And suddenly she looked like a woman in her 50s or 60s, right? And she was finally diagnosed with Werner syndrome. Okay, it's a rare genetic disorder. And before I came across a story, I used to watch Body Bizarre, where they would show people who are suffering from rare genetic disorders. People who know Body Bizarre program know exactly what I'm talking about. Do you get? So yes, I followed her story and whatnot. So now, when I saw the picture of the woman, like the interview, where the young lady was talking about how she changed from looking like she was looking at 30 years to looking like she's 80 plus years. And then I immediately knew that this might be Werner syndrome. I'm not saying, because I'm not diagnosing anyone. Remember, I'm not a medical practitioner. I'm not saying she's suffering from it, but I'm saying, instead of us pushing a narrative or saying that she slept with Nigerians, she slept with people from outside, then people bewitched her and whatnot, it could be a Werner syndrome. Do you get me? It could be Werner syndrome. Some people will argue and say, no, this thing starts when you are a child. No, it can start at any age, at any stage of your life. Do you get me? In children, it's called a progeria, which is something that I think a lot of people know about it. When kids are born with that rare condition where they look like they are old while they're still young. Do you get me? While they're still babies, while they're still infants. A lot of people, but people are arguing to say there is no way that you can be 30 and suddenly you change and you look like an old woman. It's not possible. Well, it is. In fact, there is a guy from Limpopo. I don't remember his name. I've been trying to remember his name. I saw him from Facebook, I think. This also suffering from the same thing. And with him, it didn't start when he was a baby. It started when he was a teenager too. I forgot his name. I've been trying to look for it. Do you get me? So that I can prove to you guys, because I've been trying to say, guys, what if it's Werner syndrome? What if It has nothing to do with lawyer. Guys, you have been sleeping with people's husbands. You guys, you have been in toxic relationship where the relationship end bad and this person hate you and whatnot. We have not seen you aging. You have been sleeping with people's wives. We have not seen you aging, and they said that it's witchcraft because this person slept with a foreigner. How many people are sleeping with foreigners in this country? Have you ever seen them aging? Have you ever seen them suddenly changing in age? Sometimes it's very good that you open yourself to learning new things, okay? So that if this rare condition was to attack someone next to you, you will know how to support them. Instead of you trying to push a narrative of, yeah, vele, foreigners, we are all angry about illegal immigrants who come here and do drugs and do crime and do this and this. We are all angry about that, you understand? But we don't have to make every problem about them and say, it's there. Yeah, we told you, these Nigerians that you're sleeping with and whatnot. No. And I'm not in a relationship with a foreigner, so I'm not here trying to speak on behalf of myself or anything. It's just that sometimes we just have to open ourselves to learning so that if this thing can attack, look at it now. This woman, we don't know what she's suffering from, but it may look like it's a Werner syndrome, but we are busy spreading a narrative of saying, hey, she slept with Banbani, that is why it's like this. You get me? It's not cool. Watch Body Bizarre. Normalize watching shows that shows these things, this condition. A lot of people have rare genetical conditions. If you were to look at Body Bizarre, if you were to watch rather Body Bizarre show, you will see, this thing happens. And because we are not informed, if it were to happen to someone in our villages here, we're gonna say, hey, it's witchcraft and whatnot. It's even witchcraft even with white people. They are bewitching each other even there. Ow. Hi, Sham.